So this is the jungle room. It is our low light room, bright filtered light, so more of the tropical plants. These are called Kokedama, made as an accompaniment to bonsai. You have your larger bonsai, and then this is to like kind of offset and be the smaller plant. You just take any kind of plant you can do this with. You take the roots mass, cover that in moss. We use a sheet moss. It pretty much makes any plant hangable. Take it, pop it down, stick it in a bowl to water it. With watering, a lot of people ask once a week or once every day or something, and I say no, it's about soil touch. You put your finger in the soil and you figure out if your plant likes it moist or dry, and that's how you know.